Hello students, how are you? I am Pankaj, your computer teacher. In our last class, we have discussed about the networking medium like guided medium and unguided medium, about the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, coaxial cable, twisted pair cable, fiber optical cable. Such things we have discussed in our last classes. Okay, now student, we are going to forward from the chapter, that is the topic of internet. What is internet? What is internet? Internet is the world's largest network. It is an interlinked computer which is spread throughout the world. You can say it is a worldwide network. It is a worldwide network. You can connect the whole world's computer with this network, and you can share the information across the world. Okay. With the help of internet, you can do many more things like you can access the information. First thing we are doing on the internet, that is the access of internet information that we can use. Mostly we use the internet for the surfing, and we are searching for the desired knowledge or information from the internet. That is possible with the help of internet network. For this, for example, we are looking for any type of topic, and we search on the Google. Google is a search engine. It is a virtual treasure, you can say, that is used to search the information from the internet. Okay, so you can use internet for the access the information over the network and from the world. Okay, now come to the next, email. Email is reference for the electronic mail. Email is reference for the electronic mail. That is the basically you can as we write letters from offline mode sends letter, but it's in electronic mail. You can send anyone who have email ID, and you can send the letter to anyone with you can attach the audio, video, textual format, and you can send it to the desired person who have the email ID. You need to you identify as a email address. Okay, and if you know email address of a particular person, you can send the letter to the particular person, and it will be delivered through the help of internet. Okay, now come to the next, that is shopping. Nowadays we are using internet widely for the shopping. It is known as online shopping, where you are using Amazon, you use Flipkarts, and many more AJIO. Many more online platforms you are available nowadays, and you can make shopping from that website, and it is possible with the help of internet network. Okay, entertainment. Also, we use internet for the entertainment purpose. For example, we are searching some type of joke. We are using some type of entertainment over the internet. You will use widely we use YouTube for the entertainment, and many more things we can use. Website which is used for the entertaining purpose. You can play game also. So it is the entertaining part also covered with the help of internet. And as is online chatting. With the help of internet, it is possible that you can chat with any person who are situated across the world. Like we are using now in our day-to-day life, WhatsApp is an online chat platform with work with the help of internet, and you can use it. Okay, downloading software. You can use the internet for downloading the software applications. Like in mobile we are using many type of application in our phone, when we download it from the Play Store. As it is, we can use, if we use on laptop or computer desktop, and we want any type of software, we can download it from the internet. Okay, next most important thing, that is the file transfer. You can share a file to anyone. Where you can share file, like we use in WhatsApp, we are using the transferring of files, and as it is email, with the help of email, and we can also download many type of files shared by anyone from the internet. It is possible with the help of internet. These are the services we can use with the help of internet. Okay, now students, we will understand about the cloud computing. What is cloud computing? Cloud in the sense, you can say cloud in the sense of internet, and computer in the sense with the help of internet we can use any type of share the information, we can run the application that is known as the cloud computing. For example, you can use many type of applications on the from the internet. Like if we have the for example, we are using in the bank system, banking system, in school management system. If we organize manage the software, and we store it over the network. For example, a school software we have purchased and we have set up our network system, and we use a server. We install a server system. We use all software install we use, and all these things we have to maintain. And it is very costly thing if we install the web server, if we install the server and in our organization and we use it, and it is the maintenance cost is also very high, as we have to maintain the network manager and many more employees need to be hired. So it is a very costly thing. You can set up the internet, set up the network server. But it is very efficiently you can use with the help of cloud computing. Your work will be done. For this, in cloud computing, we store our database, our structure over the internet. We purchase it from any companies, and we pay only some amount of rent for this, and we do not need to install any type of infrastructure. We have to only use the PCs, only use the browser, and we can use such infrastructure with the help of a small rent, and that is known as cloud computing. Okay, in cloud computing we do not have to use any infrastructure of network servers. We do not need how it will be stored, how it will be responsible, it will be crash or not. All things the customer do not have to be responsible. Only you have to purchase the cloud server and you will use it. Okay. With the help of cloud server, there are many types of advantages on the if you use cloud computing. For example, customer not responsible for hardware and its payload. For example, if we store any type of data in our system and it will be crashed, what will be happen? Your data will be lost. You will get many type of losses. But in cloud computing, if you purchase the space over the internet, then you do not have to be responsible for any type of hardware failure or hardware crashes. It is the responsibility of service provider companies to maintain the backup links and backup drives for your data loss. And you do not have to be worried about the hardware failure or hard disk crashes. Such thing will be not happen if you use cloud computing. Okay. Now second thing is access information across the world. If you use cloud computing, you can use the information from anywhere. If you use if you're working in a small organization, you are going for outside anywhere from the business area, then you can use all the information, all the activities from there if you use the cloud computing. Okay. Make work efficient and flexible. With the help of cloud computing, your works will be easy and efficiently. Because of it, you do not have to be maybe knowledgeable as a network administrator. You do not need to be know many things about the network. You have to know only how to use the cloud server. Okay, and anyone can access this with the help of a small little bit knowledge of computer. So it is a very efficient and flexible for anyone to use, and it is very efficiently we can manage it. Okay, and most important thing that is if we use cloud computing, it is a very economical. You can say your cost will be very cheapest, because previously I have said if you install a network server on your organization and you will maintain it, that is very costly infrastructure, and you will have to be paid for the hire many employees, many network administration, many type of devices you have to be used and manage it. But if you use the cloud computing, you have to pay the small rent for this type of service, and you do not have to be purchase any type of devices, any type of hardware for this. We use only the internet and we can use this type of service. So it is a very economical, you can say it is the very cheapest service. So I hope you understand what is cloud computing and what is the advantages of cloud computing. We will talk some other things in our next classes. Till then, keep watching and be safe. Thank you.